How you doing, my hater? You see me now getting paper. You doubted and slept on me. I'm here to give you the wake up. Keep the squares out the circle. Ain't no out of shape Urkels. I can strike the whole fifth when I'm fully off the purple. Shout out to my foodies hugging the block, saluting to the grind. Back in the muscle pack and shipping it through the line. Big ups to all my haters. I can feel you around me. Trying to knock me down, but dummy, I see you low key. Cause if Judas killed Jesus and Satan was an angel, how am I to believe it? Ain't no crooked people breathing. You could try, but I'm living life every day. Forever hugging the block just like an alleyway. And I ain't worried about a hater, what they gotta say. I'ma do me. I'ma do me. And you can't stop it. Light up the tree, like we're chilling in Jamaica. I'ma kick up my feet, cause I ain't worried about no hater. I'ma do me, and you can't stop it. So watch and see how this young T rockin'. I'ma do me. Light it up, that loud in that brown paper. Blowing since a million like we in Jamaica. To the top, that's where that Mary Jane will take ya. Inhale, adios, I see you later. I see you haters from a bird's eye view. Tryna knock the hustle suckers, keep it in my rear view. Guessing for the teeth who said they don't perform me. Reppin' from the womb to the coffin that they bury me. For now I'm rockin' like a young T supposed to be. Made from the kingdom, royalty biologically. Respect the crown, throw your T's if you feel me. Blow your trees, throw your T's, I'm a tree. Like we chillin' in Jamaica. I'ma kick up my feet, cause I ain't worried about no hater. I'ma do me, and you can't stop it. So watch and see how this young team rockin'. Look, I'ma do me. Blaze the doobie, you soother like a jacuzzi. Reefer is up in flames in your brain, no contusion. Weed smoker, that's me. Fat boy, I'm a don. I'm living like I'm a king. I'm moving the Scorpio pine. I ain't worried about a hater. My nigga, my feet up. So whenever you ready for it, just pour your seat up. See, hating the disease and I ain't trying to catch that. So they wanna know why I'm all like hater back.